channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick 10-minute full body workout for you. We're going to be doing 10 different exercises, working those muscles for 40 seconds and resting for 20 seconds. Go ahead, grab some dumbbells, water, and a towel, and let's get it. We're just going to start with inchworms. Just going to take it down and let's go. Hold that plank. Walk it back up and stand. Let's do that again. Hold. Stand it back up. Keep it going. Hold. And up. Keep it going halfway there. Keep going. Beautiful. All right, let's grab our weights. Okay, we're going to do a bicep curl with a front press, just like that, okay? Make sure you're side stepping. Keep it warm. Keep that body moving. You're ready to go. Let's go. Curl it up and press. Keep it going. Make sure your elbows are tucked nice and tight to that body. No flying elbows. Perfect. Keep going. Curl and press. Halfway there. Press it up. Nice and easy. Squeeze those biceps on your press. Squeeze, squeeze. Perfect. Give me one more. Beautiful. Back to core. Okay, now we're going to do some slow down climbers. So you just take it down to your plank position. We're just going to drive the knee up and back into plank. Okay? Just like that. You ready to go? Let's go. Nice and slow. Tighten that core. Align those shoulders and hands. Tighten those abs. Beautiful. Keep going. Almost there. Walk it in, roll it up nice and easy. All right, grab your weights. We're just gonna do alternating hammer curls, just like that. All right? Let's go. Alternate. Squeeze those biceps. Squeeze. Great job. Keep it up. Come on, you're halfway there. Come on, 10 more seconds. Place those weights down. Now we're just going to do some basic squats with a heel raise. So we squat, come up, and raise those heels, okay? Ready? Let's go. Squat, up, heel raise. Great job. Up, raise it up. Nice and easy. Keep those knees behind your toes. Sit back into that squat. Perfect. Halfway there. Almost there. Beautiful. Okay, from here, we're gonna do a shoulder press up all the way. Turn your weight and give me a tricep press, okay? Shoulder height. Let's go. Press up, close it. Give me a tricep. Let's do that again. Down, up, close, tricep. Keep it going. Beautiful. Keep going. Halfway there. Remember, always grab you some water whenever you need it. Almost done. Place those weights down. All right, we're going to go back to the floor for plank tap outs. So we're just going to hold our plank position, and then we're just going to take our feet and tap them out just like that, okay? Alternating. Get ready. Hands and shoulders aligned. Let's go. Tap it out. Tighten that core. Lock that body up. Beautiful. Keep it up. Halfway there. Almost done. Great job. Let's grab our weights back. Okay, now we're gonna fly out just like this, and we're going to take it down to a windmill. Okay? Ready? Let's go. Up and down. Now we're going to alternate the other arm. Okay? Lift up and down. Beautiful. Take it down. Lift up and down. Perfect. Lift up. Halfway there. And down. Keep it going. Keep that arm nice and straight. We need one more. All right, beautiful. Let's put those legs down. Now we're going to go to steam engines. You just lock your fingers behind your head and bring your elbow to your knee just like that, working those abs, okay? You ready? Lock it up. Let's go, alternating. Great job. Keep it up. Halfway there. Keep it going. Almost done. Beautiful. All right, let's get our weights back. From here, we're going to go into a row and a kickback, okay? So we're gonna roll it up, high elbows, and kick it back, okay? You ready? Get in that bend position, nice neutral spine. Roll it up, kick back. Great job. Keep that going. Beautiful. Just down just like that. Keep that spine nice and neutral, no curves, no rounds. Beautiful, great job. Almost there. 10 seconds. Good job. Alright everybody, I am done with the 10-minute workout. You can go ahead and keep going and repeat it for 2 to 3 more cycles. Thank you for tuning in. And if you're finished, make sure you cool down and stretch. Have a good one. Thanks.